My fellow entrepreneurs and marketing mavens, we have gathered here today at this forum to have an insightful discussion regarding an integral element that acts as the backbone of any business, the mighty sales funnel. Sales funnels provide the critical structure, strategic direction, and step-by-step process to effectively guide potential buyers through the entire customer journey. The sales funnel acts as a compass that ultimately leads prospects to make a purchasing decision and become loyal customers. It is an essential component that any business owner must implement. Whether they operate online or have a brick and mortar establishment, if they want to generate maximum revenue and profits, let us first build a common understanding. What exactly is a sales funnel? In simple terms, it is the predefined path and stages that customers go through, starting from the moment when they first become aware of your product or service to eventually buying from your business. The sales funnel offers a practical framework to attract relevant audience groups, qualify and filter leads, nurture them by building trust and credibility, and finally motivate them to complete the purchase process. An optimal sales funnel has 3 core phases: the top, the middle, and the bottom. The top of the funnel is focused on driving qualified traffic, capturing leads, and expanding your audience reach. This is accomplished through proven tactics such as search engine optimization, paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google and Facebook, and organic social media marketing on channels like Instagram and LinkedIn. High converting landing pages, free giveaways like ebooks or webinars, and engaging lead magnets help grab the attention of prospects and collect their contact information. The middle section of the funnel centers a road lead nurturing education and developing relationships with potential customers. Here, you provide valuable informational content, including blogs, videos, ebooks, and webinars that address the prospect's pain points and demonstrates how your product uniquely solves their needs. The goal is to qualify and filter leads by deeply understanding their challenges, objections, and motivators. Email sequences, sales pages, product demos, and free trials are commonly utilized to move leads down the funnel. Finally, the bottom of the funnel is where qualified prospects convert into paying customers. The focus shifts to motivating buyers, overcoming final hesitations, and leading them further down to the final checkout page. Price incentives like discounts or coupons, special bonus offers, money-back guarantees, and limited time deals are presented to give that extra nudge for making a purchase. Positive customer testimonials, credible reviews, and success stories provide the social proof that builds trust. Creating and executing a highly effective sales funnel requires strategic thinking, in-depth audience research, constant testing, perpetual optimization. You need to intimately understand your target customer persona, their unique challenges, product objections, desires, and triggers. A data-driven approach of continually testing variations and iterations will help improve conversion rates across the funnel. Smart automation and seamless integration between tools are key to scale your sales process. Well, the sales funnel provides an essential framework. Success comes down to precise execution. Compelling and benefit-focused copywriting, visually stunning designs, clear and assertive calls to action, and optimized user experience are crucial. Maintaining a holistic perspective that puts your customers' needs first at every step of the process is a must. Sales funnels are dynamic and living mechanisms that need to be constantly refined as per evolving business landscapes. As astute entrepreneurs, we must be agile, adaptable, and open to improving our funnels by incorporating the latest technologies, tools, and platforms. In closing, sales funnels are indeed the holy grail that methodically convert interest into sales, desire into transactions. However, there are no shortcuts to building an effective funnel. It requires vision, strategy, creativity, technology, and old-fashioned hard work. If we can get the fundamentals right by deeply understanding customers, delivering extreme value, and providing an incredible experience, success will undoubtedly follow. I thank you all, fellow entrepreneurs, for listening intently and wish you the very best as you build sales funnels that create delighted customers, generate exponential revenue, and lead to thriving businesses. Let us march forward with purpose and passion.